What's up guys, Ian here. So this review is dedicated to those Samsung Galaxy owners who have not experienced nor owned a stylus or a Note series phone. Like myself, well, I was about to give this phone to my wife because it's basically just the same thing as my Samsung Galaxy S10, but with better cameras, faster processor, better screen. So let's find out if this is a worthy purchase for someone who have not even tried to use an S Pen. So the package includes the case, the S Pen, two extra tips, one white and an extra black one. You will also get a tool that will help you replace the tip on your S Pen, and there's some manuals too. The S21 Ultra's S Pen is a bit more natural to use. It's a bit longer and thicker than the Note series S Pen. The default black S Pen tip feels something like pencil and paper. It will give you more texture and resistance, and even better control when you're writing. So, on the other hand, the white tip gives you zero resistance. So, what it means is that it easily glides on your screen, though it requires you more focus and control for you to write properly. But the best thing is, it's less fatiguing compared to the black one. I myself prefer using the white one because I always use the swipe keyboard when I'm replying to messages and whatnot. The case, I think they can do better here. It attracts dust, dirt, sweat, fingerprints, bodily oils, all sort of things. If you rest your phone on a dusty surface, believe me, it's gonna suck all that up. Just look at it. The silicone rubbery material feels really grippy. It will literally stick onto your hand, which is just so perfect. But it can also be a nightmare when you're putting it in your jeans pocket. The case just rubs and bites, and it will just refuse to get in. The case is quite thick, wide, and heavy, quite cumbersome to be honest. But it will provide you with a decent shock protection in the event that you drop it accidentally. If the case have punch holes for your charger, bottom speakers, and two holes up on top for your mics. The buttons are surprisingly clicky and responds quite well. You also get an ample amount of lip to protect your screen from, again, accidental drops, which is just really good. They cut a hole for your lenses only. So what it means is that most of the camera module is covered. Hence it will be protected by scratches or dings. But it totally kills the badass vibe of the S21 Ultra. Now it looks like an uncircumcised penis, for crying out loud. There's just no other way to describe it. Just look at it. The S Pen placement needs some getting used to at first. You'll struggle and do weird random maneuvers just to take out the S Pen from the case, uh, like this way, or maybe use your left hand and then transfer it to the right. What else? Flip your phone, get the S Pen, flip your phone back. But for me, this is the best way to manage this. So first is you unlock your phone, then you twist it just a little bit, then you get your S Pen. Then there. Basic tasks like navigating through your gallery or browsing the web or flicking onto your social media apps can be really fun and quite intuitive as well. It will totally give you a different user experience when you're using the S Pen. That alone convinced me to keep these phone. Now let me just give you some key features that you may actually like. Glance. This feature makes multitasking such a breeze. So in my case, I'm managing two online stores, so I need to balance out the inventory of both shops. So just look at this. I'm checking on the sales on my Shopee store, and then easily with the glance feature, I can switch to my other store's managing app and then remove all of those items for sale. It's just so easy, right? I don't know, but I seem to be more creative when I write something down. It just feels so fulfilling, man. And the best thing is, as soon as you're done writing, you can actually convert those to text and either copy it and send it to your email or even print it. Screen Write lets you make a screenshot on whichever content is on your screen. And the best thing is you can also write notes on that same photo. Once you're done, you can conveniently share it. It's such a handy tool for seamlessly highlighting information for your friends. Right on calendar. The calendar alone is a powerful tool. You can set reminders, meetings, important dates like birthdays or holidays. But now you can literally write on the calendar. So what you can do is you can superimpose, let's say you have a very important meeting, write a red circle on it and maybe an exclamation point that, that reminds you that, oh man, I need to prepare on this date. Ultimate copy and paste tool. So with a regular phone, mostly you can just copy if it's a text, and even sometimes you can't. With this feature, you can literally copy anything. Even if the text is on a photo, you can also do that. Amazing, right? So, conclusion with Samsung. I'm actually feeling this Galaxy fatigue. It's like every year or couple of years, you upgrade to the latest Galaxy phone. But yeah, sometimes you're just getting the same thing, but just with a faster processor or a better screen, better sets of cameras. But this S Pen upgrade for the Galaxy S21 Ultra, this is a breath of fresh air. Especially for me, I haven't really used a Note series phone or any stylus-based gadget, so this feels more than an upgrade for me, and I feel that it would be the same as well to other Galaxy users. For $70, yes, go buy it. It's worth it. But if you're coming from a Note series phone, now that's a different story. That's it. End of the video. So if you like the content that you're seeing here on my channel, please give me a sub and a like as well. It is totally free. And if you have questions or whatever, just comment down below and I'll surely answer your questions. So again, this is Ian from Biscuit TV. Ciao.